Welcome back to Morphy WhatsApp CRM tutorial series. This is part 3 of the series, and here I will give step-by-step guide on the chatbot feature of Morphy WhatsApp CRM. First, let me explain what chatbots are. Have you ever chatted with a computer or a smart device? If so, you've interacted with a chatbot. A chatbot is a special kind of program that can talk to you and help you with different tasks. We'll explore what chatbots are, how they work in our WhatsApp software, and how you can create your very own chatbot. In Morphy WhatsApp CRM, a chatbot can send WhatsApp message to communicate with people. It can answer questions, provide information about your products when anyone asks for that through your WhatsApp. Suppose you have asked your website visitors to contact you in the sales WhatsApp number if they are interested in any of your product, and a person sends you a WhatsApp message for the first time in that sales WhatsApp number, and you have a chatbot to handle new chat. Suppose you have product A and product B. He contacted you in the sales WhatsApp number means he is interested in one of your services. So chatbot can send the details of your services and list your products A and B. It asks him to enter the product name he is interested in. And the new person replies to the chatbot with product B. Now the chatbot checks the reply and gives details of B. Apart from just sending the messages, the chatbot can do other WhatsApp actions, like add this new person to a group of product B inquiries. So all the new product B inquiries will be added to that group automatically for you to follow up later. The advantage is that whenever a new chat comes, this chatbot will be automatically handle it anytime, day or night. So chatbots helps you to offload your common WhatsApp chat flows. Also, the person messaging will get instant reply. Chatbots operate around the clock, ensuring that your WhatsApp chats are never missed, even outside of business hours. They provide instant responses to inquiries, improving customers' experience and capturing leads in real time. So to do this, you need to tell the chatbot what to do and when to do step by steps. These steps are called workflows. Using workflows, we will tell the chatbot what to send in the message, when to send, and what action should it do in your WhatsApp. Morphy WhatsApp CRM's chatbot feature allows you to create and maintain chatbots. As I said, we need to create workflows using the chatbots option to tell the chatbot what to send, when to send, and what extra action should it do in the WhatsApp account. Now let me explain how to create workflows for automating the chats. For example, I need to automate the task of providing the product list to new contacts, and when the new chat selects Email Verifier, I will give details of Morphy Email Verifier and redirect that contact to the Email Verifier website for trial sign-up. So here I need 2 workflows. One to handle new chats, and second, when a person sends the word Morphy Email Verifier. First workflow executes as soon as a new chat starts in my WhatsApp and gives an introduction about Morphymail and then lists the products offered. So here, when to send the message? When a new chat comes in. Second, what to send? Product list. Third, what extra action should be done by the chatbot? It should show the WhatsApp's typing status before sending the message, and it should mark messages by the person as read by me, showing the double blue tick, so that the person will feel a real-life chat experience. Now, second workflow starts when the receiver reply with Email Verifier word and gives the details of the Email Verifier and redirect that contact to the Email Verifier website for trial sign-up, and the chatbot should add the new contact to my Morphy Verifier custom tab so that I can check it later and do further follow-ups. So let's start. Click on Chatbots option in left side panel of main window. You will get workflow window. To create first workflow, click Add Workflow option. In the Add Workflow window, first give a name for the workflow. Here, I need to handle individual new chats, so next, I will choose one-to-one and execute for every new chat. Next, I want to show the typing status before sending the message, and also need to mark the receiver's messages as read by me. So select the corresponding options. Now set the workflow status as on. Next, I will compose the welcome message. Here, I need to send a simple text message about the Morphymail software service provider. So know the template type is message. I will add a little information about the type of products offered by Morphymail. And finally, enter product list for the receiver to choose from. When the receiver responds with the name of the product he is interested in, we will handle each product with a different workflow. Now my first workflow is ready. Click Save to activate it. Now click Add Workflow to create next workflow for Email Verifier. In the Add Workflow window, first enter the name. Choose one-to-one option. Select Execute for selected keywords, since our workflow gets executed for Email Verifier keyword. Enter our keywords, Morphy Email Verifier and Email Verifier. From drop-down, select Contains option. Now execution condition is set. Next, set the sending options by selecting Options, Show Typing Status, and mark Conversation as Read. Next is to add the new contact to my custom tab Morphy Verifier to make my future follow-ups easy. For this, check Custom Tab's actions, choose Add Contact in Custom Tab Chat. Now click, drop down, and select the Morphy Verifier Custom tab. Similarly, you can add or remove each receiver contact to or from groups, labels, or Kanban board. Set the workflow status on. Now I need to provide the details of Email Verifier software as separate messages. As message 1, I will enter Thank You message. Click Add Message to add my second message with more verifier details. Again, click Add Message and add categories and pricing of verifier as third message. Note that I am specifying a minimum and maximum delay for sending each message for giving a personalized chat feeling for the receiver. Now the fourth and the final message. Click Add Message. This is text message with button to redirect the contact to Email Verifier product's website. So select message template as message plus button, enter the text message. Below, give name for the button and a description. Text on the button. Select URL option, since we are redirecting to website using button link. Enter the website link. Finally, click Save button. Now, my autoresponder for handling new contacts inquiring about Morphy Email Verifier will be handled by these two workflows without any manual intervention, 24/7, which improves customer engagement through personalized chats. So, depending on your business scenarios, you can create workflows to automate chats with new leads or existing customers. Now you are ready to create your own chatbots in your Morphy WhatsApp CRM. See you in next part of the series. Sign up today for our premium services and thank you.